that?
It's a guinea fowl.
Oh. Can you explain me?
Temperature control.
Is it? Guinea fowl, is it? Is that?
I think
Is
this
it?
is
Pheasant.
I think this is this pheasant.
Is it?
We found this pheasant.
Oh, nice or not?
Oh yes! Oh, I found it! I found it! I found it!
What? What?
Guinea fowl.
Beautiful or not? How beautiful or not? You check. Can find or not? Now what you looking for, Bo? Okay. Maybe he hide with the trees.
Oh, this!
Is it? I never see. How you see that?
What's the Sumatran laughing frog?
Sumatra?
Laughing frog.
Is it? So big, Bo. This Philippine eagle. How?
Oh no, it is the same.
Yeah, correct, right? What is that, Bo?
Yes, that's it. Where's the duck on there?
Check. Oh, on top.
Where?
On top, do you see? What are you doing?
I think yes, definitely. Where's the rhinoceros? Oh, I found it!
Yeah. Where you want to go?
Oh, good on top one with the look of
Yeah, we go. Can I find? What is that? Check.
What is the gray one? This is this. Oh, you don't know!
What is it?
This is this!
Correct, right? What?
Oh, I found it!
Is it? Nice or not?
Where's the jungle bush quail?
Inside. Is it? How? You want to drink water?
I want to.
Nice or not? What do you see? How about nice or not?
The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, mirrors of the skies, hunters, and theropods. Dromaeosaurids, microraptors, and velociraptors. We live among the descendants of
Raptoringa. My buddy Joe and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
That's right, so as Raptor Rangers, we conduct rescue and
different vultures. We'll scaven this to showcase to all of you. In the meantime, before we showcase them, we would like all of you to take your... Looks like a very chaotic scene. Lots of vultures, other scavengers as well, feeding on a huge carcass, trying to rip it out of bones. Well, to me, this looks like a very disorganized eating frenzy. Almost right, but...
Like a seagull.
You like?
And you know, they are one of the largest.
Oh, seagull.
What's here in... Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please Nelson, our white valley sea. Well, here's another interesting fact about the bald eagles. These birds build really huge nests. And if you're wondering how big does the bald eagle's nest get?
He's going over good.
Is it? Which one you already see?
The camera is, his name is wrong.
Is it?
His name is wrong. See,
Yes. How?
this is like sausage condor.
Okay. You like? Oh, where you go? You want to take try or not? Yes or no? You want to go egg? Okay. What?
Oh, this can fly. Correct.
Come, go back.
Yeah.
Time to go back. Hey. Mommy waiting for you.
What's that bird flying around?
Let's go.
We let people go first. Okay, climb up.
Oh, nice. Hmm?